Welcome back to Brassic Classics. Behind me is rather nice Land Rover Series III ragtop. I've done bits of filming on this car over the past few months, and because of what's happening with the COVID-19, I thought it was about time I edited everything together and try and release a bit more content. So this video is going to be featuring this rather nice Land Rover. This is kind of an example of what you can get for sort of £3,500-ish amount. It's a running driving, I think you describe it as a running restoration. It's not perfect, it's a long way from being perfect, but this is the sort of thing if you go on eBay you can quite easily get hold of. Work that's been done on this, swivel joints have both been done on the front because they were leaking quite badly corroded. What else has been done on this? The usual stuff, battery. It had been sat inside what became my workshop for a good couple of years, and there it is. Again, this is another Series III Land Rover that's been sat in the barn, and Steve's just going to reattach the starter motor. The battery on, ready to go.
Battery is on.
Battery's on. Ignore the shell of the Land Rover Discovery.
Great British build quality.
Great British build quality, of course. Can I stay? Let's see what happens. So we're moving this because this is going to become my workshop. So these are going, and then the Series 1 is coming back in here, and I can begin. Come on, Steve. Let's see what happens.
Can't actually see out the windscreen.
Don't worry about it. You're not driving yet. Go for it. This has been sat here quite a while.
Ah,
Oh well.
there's lights flashing.
Promising.
Is that a glow plug position?
Yeah. Well, I think it's one click's glow plug position then. Oh, there you go. Oh. There you go. Easy enough. Clutch is a little bit. So we're getting there. Steve's found a slight problem. It's got a tiny steering wheel, which is making manoeuvring a little bit difficult. You agree? That's good, Steve. Go on. Yeah, he's having to work quite hard in there. It's got a steering wheel the size of a 10p, which is not the most practical. Come on, Steve. Do that. Keep going. Back up. Okay, so the Series 3 is now out. It's ragtop. And it's a little bit modified. I'll show you the steering wheel I was talking about. Not the most practical steering wheel. There's a few things a little bit non-standard, shall we say? But it's all there. It's another one. We have another one. So now we have Series 3 and Series 1 together. It's cool. I like this.
My workshop is full of smoke.
Is it?
Yes.
I can't imagine why, Steve. That's absolutely shocking.
That's all right.
It's been a while since I've driven the Land Rover, especially one with the rings and this bag. Just as easy to get into as ever.
How's the power steering?
I'm not sure.
Come on, try turning it from lock to lock.
I recommend this wheel.
Go on, keep going.
I'm trying. I've done about 8 turns. See, I'm there.
Is that it?
That's it. That's everything. I've got to go back. Jesus. You want to catch your fingers in this. It's a thumbs out job, this. Am I there yet?
That's great.
Alright, broken leg, clutch pedal. I think I'm in first. Shut me door, Steve.
Straight forwards first.
Shut me door. Hard a foot because I couldn't do it. And we just happened to stop in the right place. Well,
You could just pulled it out of gear.
the charm never goes, I've got to say. I'm just going to...
I might go soon.
I mean,
Asphyxiation.
I must say, it's a little bit... There's a couple of fumes in it. Jesus. I'm going to try and get out. Oh my God. Yeah, you're right, that clutch is not good.
It's knackered. It's a bit lovely stuff.
Anyway, it's Brassic Classics, having some fun.
Go park